Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix loss limit on Unibet. So let's get started. For that, we need to get into any browser and search for unibet.co and we get into interface like this. Make sure you are logged into it. Now click on this profile icon on the top right. Now if you scroll down over here, we can see this option that is safer gambling. Simply click on this plus icon and scroll down to loss limit option. Now we need to simply scroll down and choose the time frame. Let's go for monthly and click on add limit. We need to choose certain amount here and click on add a monthly limit. And the limit is finally set. If you want to remove it, simply click on remove limit over here. If you want to add others as well, simply click here, choose it and click on add limit. You can choose amount and click on add a daily limit over here. And we'll be done with. So that was all. I hope you liked the video.